Jigsaw colleagues. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do overhead scanner. Follow me. So, we're looking for a box to do. Let's say we do this one over here, 1846. You get that? Yeah. And oh, look at that, here it is. Alright, so we grab the box, stick it maybe a bit more on there, and move it to our special desk. Right, here we go, out of the box room. We put it upwards on the bottom of our desk or on the floor. And then we start taking out the files we want to scan. So, once we got our files out, and turn the on button, which is over here. Come over here.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's so cool.
Once it's on, it should turn blue like this. Now, you get a file, and this is where we start to begin. Okay, so, time to film the computer. So we open the scanning application called ScanSnap. Alright, we empty the file. So now that we've got our empty file, we put the cover sheet in. First the front, close it up under the glass thingy, and make sure it's all nice and even. You don't want any mistakes. And then we scan it by pressing scan on ScanSnap, and then we press scan to folder, press the big scan button, and watch how the machine works. Okay. So the machine is scanning with that little light at the moment, and that's the first top done. Now we're doing the bottom, so we're going to press continue scanning in a minute, but first we're going to put this thing upside down to front, facing the bottom of the white page at the bottom here, so we can scan the back. Now press continue scanning, and it should do it again. Light. And then, there it is. Not perfect, but it'll do. Finish scanning. And then, we save this image. Don't worry about that button. I'll teach you that another time if I really need to. Save this image. And then, it's important to name this. So first, we check the naming. Let's have a look. So this one says it's CD09 190. So lot 161 14R Terrail Road. Let's have a look. CD09. There we go. There it is. We rename it from needs cover sheet, and then we control that old thing, Now we open this. Double click on this and press Control V, and then underscore CS, so that you know which one's different and which one's the cover sheets. Because CS stands for cover sheets. We also have to browse for the file, for the folder. Now we want to check in 0600, and the number of the box is, I believe, 1846. So we look for 1846. There it is. Now we'll make a new folder called 1846 box 1846 cover sheets.
Yes, amazing, Chad.
Open that, select folder. There we go. It should say that on the thing, and it does. So we'll now save it, and then it'll go through the system. And there we have it. It tells us that it's in the folder, and then we can go on ready to the next one. So we put our pages back in. Put on the elastic band, and basically you do the same thing for each one. And that's the step-by-step process of doing overhead scanning. Thank you.